I mean, over here, so breeze, people if you come and and chat fucker. But at the same time, I'm all about free speech, so you can chat and say whatever you want to say. But imagine if me say something like this. Black people if you come in our way and chat Norwegian. Oh. Like what you would I tell the Chinese people them in Jamaica? What happened to the white people born in Jamaica? All in all, you know. People are going to feel what they want to feel. But that not really matter.
Hey fam, it's Migash. Welcome back to Migash Reactions. Today's video might challenge what you think you know about Jamaica. You're going to see White Jamaicans speaking fluent Patois and hear why being Jamaican has nothing to do with race. Big credit to the original creators of this video. Watch this till the end for my full reaction and breakdown. And as you watch, subscribe to the channel for more real eye-opening conversations. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, what going on? Yo, I'm very good at introducing my kids to the clappers because right now, make me I get mad. It'll get to me head 24/7. Them come to me and talk about it. Mommy, we have some clappers left. When we are going to clap more clappers, the rain stopped. Let's go clap clappers. It's so cool. Clappers, them so cool. I can't wait to go clap some clappers. Yo, I'm tired of it. I should have never introduced them to that.
This is the mother, that one is the father, the white one, that one is the kid. They got two kids. But the other one, look the other one there.
Oh, there's like without this. Wagwan, man.
Wagwan bridging.
Eso.
Hey,
Eso.
me sorprendió ese bridging cuando me dije Wagwan bridging. Man.
You never heard a white man speak Patois, so?
Never. First time in my life.
Sit down. Me a focus. Me a listen with my whole heart. And me still not sure if she a cuss me or if she a bless me. Alright, you always a ask to hear me talk Patois more. So me there, but me might sound slow because me have to concentrate. Me work on the accent. Me not perfect, but stay with me. Me not joke around. Me tell you the truth. When me just start talk to me mother-in-law, me have to use me husband like a Google Translate. Me hear her a chat and me did it like, yeah, me understand. But me really never know what she a say. But no, me understand everything she a say. Everything. But me granny-in-law, Lord Jesus help me. Me not shame fi tell you, me a struggle. Me sit down, me a focus, me a listen with my whole heart, and me still not sure if she a cuss me or if she a bless me. Me husband always a laugh after me, but I swear sometimes me have to look pon him like, baby, what she just say? Nah, give up. By next year, me a go understand the whole family, especially granny-in-law. Anyways, me chat enough. If you want to hear me chat Patois more, you better make sure you comment and tell me, otherwise I'm gone. Little more me people.
More time we see people on TikTok or whatever social media and then white and they speak Patois. And when I say, what? They know Patois very well. So a while ago I see this little white guy walk past me and he speak Patois. No, okay, 19-year-old young man walking by me. We're in Boston. And I was like, did he just speak Patois? So I said, wait, are you Jamaican?
Yeah,
are you So where in Jamaica do you live?
Kingston, like Jackson, Kingston 6.
Where were you born?
St. Andrew Hospital.
My goodness, where? Where is St. Andrew Hospital? Jamaica, right?
Yeah, Kingston.
Man, Kingston. And where do you go to school?
American school.
Yeah. Give a little Patois, man. Give a little Patois.
Yeah, so we're there in the airport, both of Scotland, thing live, and you know how we go.
Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Bye, auntie. Bye, uncle. Take care.
Take care.
Safe flight.
Książka szybciutko.
Mam.
Masz? To daj.
Nie mam.
Nie masz?
Nie.
To dawaj ten ryż z tej buzi. Oddawaj go.
Mommy, give me money. I want all.
Okay, here you go. All the money.
O. Dziękuję. Dziękuję.
A lot of people don't know or don't believe that there are white Jamaicans. So today I'm going to show you. What is your name?
What kind of question you ask me? You don't know my name long time already. We can't put my name on the internet, girl. What's wrong with you?
Where are you from?
I come from Jamaica. We come from the western part of Jamaica. We can't really tell you where we come from down there though, because we don't know where we come from.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
But I like all kind of food. Anything they make in Jamaica, I like ackee and saltfish. With a piece of fried pork in it. Can't beat that. I really love the curry goat with rice. I don't like rice and peas though, but I love curry goat and rice. And well, I don't use so much bami, but I love bami too. The more I think about it, I love goat belly soup. And my mother used to make hog foot, but since I live abroad, I don't get that no more. I love any kind of Jamaican food.
What's your favorite thing about Jamaica?
My favorite thing about Jamaica is the sunshine. Can't beat that. Nice and warm. You don't really get no cold weather down there. And the people. Jamaican people are the warmest, kind-hearted people in the whole world. You can meet anybody on the street, just chat to them, and they talk to you. They don't really care who you are, where you come from, what you look like. And well, I know everything in Jamaica nice. I miss Jamaica, because I used to live there, I don't live there no more, but I love Jamaica.
Who's your favorite reggae artist?
Well, my favorite reggae artist from a long time ago, Yellow Man. I remember Yellow Man when he was big in the 80s when we used to live. Nobody, no reggae artist can excite the crowd more than Yellow Man. Once he go up on the stage, he mix it up with all in lyrics and in different styles. Blueberry Hill, Zungo Zungo Zuzin, whatever that other one they call me, can't even pronounce it.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
But I don't know, because enough people watch this video and then probably wonder why may I put this on the internet. Well, my daughter born in Jamaica too, and she always bother me because she on the internet all the time, and I don't know, say she don't believe that enough people believe say white people come from Jamaica. The Jamaican motto is out of many, one people. So you got all different kind of people in Jamaica, and I'm just an example of, I guess, one of them.
So now we're gonna get my dad to pronounce some words. So Dad, can you say the first one on this list?
Woven.
Okay, how about the second one?
Water.
Okay, how about the third one?
Character.
Okay, what about the fourth one?
Pronunciation varies.
Yep. And Dad, what is this?
Cutex.
Okay, now what color is it?
Orange. What's wrong with you? You don't know your color?
When it comes to like Patois,
Yeah.
obviously like you can speak it, correct? Mm-hmm. So do you just speak it like with close members, like family or whatever?
No, it's not even that complicated, to be honest with you, brother. All right, watch I know. Because it's all right. I was born in England.
Yeah.
I'm an Englishman.
Yeah.
I can talk in Patois. I love Jamaica. I love the culture. That's what I do. I've grown into a person now that is a white Englishman that can speak in Patois.
Yeah.
He knows the culture very well and loves the culture.
Yeah.
So it's just really simple. It's like if you're English, me I talk in I'm just going to talk to you in English. why am I going to talk in Patois to an Englishman?
Yeah.
That doesn't make no sense.
Yeah, okay.
You're not going to register me, I say. You understand me? I say, but if you're a Jamaican, I say, well, I'm a general, why pre, I'm there, I'm a father, man, everything good, man, you see? Yeah, just simple thing, bro.
Aye.
As soon as I land in Jamaica, I don't say a word of English.
Alright, can you teach me some Patois then?
Yeah.
Like, this like the basics. Like, obviously I know the what a guan.
What a guan.
What a guan.
Alright, so we can say, the more new slang would be why pre.
Why pre?
Why pre, my father?
Why pre, my father?
That is it.
Come on, my brother.
All right, I teach you the nudge. So you have to, when you nudge, you have to put your thumb out.
Okay.
All right, and then you have to like click it like all right, like that is it.
Okay.
That is it.
That is it, my brother. Come on, man.
Yeah, man.
What did you just say, big man?
I said I'll fling you in the back there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I will ride you up and down Oxford Street.
Ride who? You can't ride me. No, you can't.
No, with you in the back. No, behave yourself, man.
No white girl from Jamaica talks like that, y'all. Although I know, and him say him know few. But me and a them and a me. That are the thing. Me want to deliver patois anyhow me want to deliver. So if you not like me way of delivering the great patois, that's none of my problems. And of my problems that you know, go and go somewhere where you satisfy yourself and your ears. Kind of my problem that. And of my problem that. Me no business.
I'm not saying that my great come on from the board. Come on from the board from your foot. You know, my great grandfather is from England. Yeah. And we're not interested in going to England.
My game. You say that in the England thing, burn up Babylon.
Yeah, England, them mad people. Are your grandfather come from there? Yeah. But in change up, change up with the German then. And when you go to Canada, and you tell them say from Jamaica, they expect say a pair of black people, dark people come from Jamaica. It's a one set of pussies them, not true.
Yeah.
Yeah,
they never know the straight nose man there.
Yeah. And when this hard patois,
50 here.
I'm going to give you a joke.
Yeah.
My son up, live up Canada now. He go to college and everything up here and live over 5-6 years now up there. And he never can go down to Toronto. So then go to one club.
Yeah.
And then see some Jamaican. And they tell him, say, yo, I'm a Jamaican. Yeah. He said, no, he imitate Jamaican. And they want to fight. They want to fight them. Want to fight my nephew and my son.
Wow.
Because they trick them.
If you know who your foundation in Jamaica, yeah.
And he start talk if I know. He said, "Bomba clot, this man a Jamaican for true."
Mind game them, mind game them.
Yeah. He said, "Blood clot, this man a Jamaican for true." They call me Renegade. Me don't know, you know, kind of young to remember the show Renegade. Or you know it?
Yeah, welcome on.
Alright, me have one bike look like him. So that's to me get to know.
Okay.
You see the building out there, so? Right back right there, you see me born. Me no born out man too. But me go a Canada.
So you see one time they call it Jesus, they don't say Jesus, they say Lord Jesus.
Don't Baker said, Lord Jesus ain't coming from me. You think I know everybody?
Where you say from, Billy?
Fuck you, I can't have them.
I can't go in and put me on YouTube and be a fucker.
Did you experience a lot of racism growing up white in Jamaica? Very minimal, but I do remember one very racist moment. I couldn't have been more than 6. A fellow classmate, a very young girl at the age of 6 as well, would sing to me, "Black is beauty, red is corruption. Black is beauty, red is corruption." Now that I'm 40, I realize how deep that actually went. To think that here is this young girl, and she's been taught by her parents to sing black is beauty and red is corruption. And that's also an important lesson to teach your children, because racism ends with you.
Where did you learn to speak so beautifully?
In Jamaica, of course. Fun fact about Jamaica is our first language is English, but we do have a very established second language, which is a dialect called Patois. And Patois is really just a mashup of many different languages that came from slavery and colonialism. So it has elements of West African Twi, Irish, British, Spanish, Portuguese, all mashed up into this dialect. So that's fun fact number 1. Fun fact number 2 is it is not a documented language. There is nowhere where we have it written down in the history books. There is no dictionary where you can look up the meaning of words or know how to spell words. It is, it's not taught in schools. So it's a very informal language that you learn as you grow up and you begin to communicate with your family. You go to school, you go in the workplace. It's really just this organic, natural second language that every Jamaican and every Jamaican living overseas knows how to speak. And we understand it and we understand each other, which I think is so cool and interesting that you can have almost like this secret language that only people from, Jamaica really know how to speak and understand it. Now, certainly we're not the only island who has a dialect. Many other Caribbean islands have a dialect as well because of their own history with slavery and colonialism. If you think about Haiti with French Creole, you think about St. Lucia with French Creole as well as many other islands have their own kinds of dialect. The third fun fact is at one point in time, our local university, the University of the West Indies, tried to make a case to have the language documented. They wanted to formalize it as a language, have it documented, have the word standardized, have it taught in schools. But unfortunately, that never materialized, which may be good or bad. It maintains the mystery of it and just how unique it is. And so as it stands today, it is still an informal, undocumented language that the masses of Jamaica can speak. I'm speaking standard English right now, and that is, as I said, our first language. But if I ever go back in a very informal social setting, I go back down in my patois right this. So I go right back in it and I can switch from patois to English just as easily as I can switch back and forth. So what I just said is I can easily switch between English and patois and back. It just depends on the setting that I am in. And so when many people meet me and I tell them I'm Jamaican, they don't readily recognize that I am, even though I think my accent is very distinct. I'm very proud of it. I never try to cover it up or hide it. But I think they think all Jamaicans just speak this dialect that nobody can understand. And I will say too, the ability to really switch easily between English and patois is a function of education and kind of how, you have been raised, depending on your family background, etc. So you will find that people who may have grown up in communities that primarily speak patois will speak it all the time and may not have as easy a time really switching to standard English and back to patois. Education, people who have really kind of pursued education or higher levels of education may have the propensity to switch easily between both languages. So the next time you're in Jamaica, I am going to leave you some common phrases in patois in my caption. Go ahead and save this video and favorite it and study those phrases, because when next you go to Jamaica, that's all you'll hear people speaking in the streets. And I am going to hook you up so you can at least carry out a very basic conversation with Jamaica in a patois. One love. Toodles.
Alright fam, thank you for watching until the very end. If you're still here, I truly appreciate you because this topic deserves attention and respect. One of the strongest points in this video is the reminder that Jamaica is a nationality, not a race. Being Jamaican means being born there, raised there, or deeply connected to the culture, not fitting into a single racial category. Patois is not broken English. It's a language shaped by history, blending African languages with English, Irish, Spanish, and Portuguese influences. One big misconception people outside Jamaica have is thinking that white Jamaicans are foreigners or visitors. Many assume if you're white in Jamaica, you must be a tourist, or you must be from somewhere else. But this ignores generations of history. Some white Jamaican families have lived on the island longer than many families in the diaspora have lived abroad. A lot of white Jamaicans can trace their families back to the colonial period, to plantation ownership, to post-emancipation communities, or to early European settlers who stayed. That doesn't erase the painful history, but it explains why nationality and ancestry are complex. Jamaican history didn't stop in 1962. It's layered. What truly separates insiders from outsiders in Jamaica isn't race, it's cultural fluency. Do you understand patois? Do you know the jokes? Do you understand the rhythm of conversation? A white Jamaican who speak fluent Patois will often be accepted faster than a black foreigner who doesn't understand the culture. That says a lot. Some people criticize Jamaicans for switching between Patois and English. But let's be clear, that's not confusion. That's linguistic intelligence. White Jamaicans who grew up on the island do the same thing. School, English, street Patois, because that's how Jamaica works. Interestingly, a lot of the pushback about white Jamaicans comes from outside Jamaica, not inside. Even though English is Jamaica's official language, Patois is the language of the people learned organically and passed down through generations. Jamaicans can switch effortlessly between Patois and Standard English, depending on the setting, a skill that reflects intelligence, not confusion. The video highlights how white Jamaicans often have their identity questioned despite living the culture fully, showing how harmful stereotypes can be. Jamaica's motto perfectly captures its history, a mix of China, African, European, Asian, and Middle Eastern roots. Colonization, slavery, and immigration shaped Jamaica into the diverse nation we see today. Global impact through reggae and dancehall, Patois reached the world, and today there are dictionaries, Bibles, and literature written in it. This video educates without attacking, and that's powerful. Jamaica's identity is complex, rich, and inclusive. If you enjoyed this reaction, like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. This is Migash Reactions. Respect always.